nutrition in which organisms make their own food by using simple substance from their surroundings.
Example of autotrophic nutrition.
All green plants, some bacteria.
Define heterotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on the other organism for food is called heterotrophic nutrition.
Right. Example of heterotrophic nutrition.
Human beings, some plants.
Define electric fuse. Electric fuse.
A safety device installed in a circuit to protect them from electrical appliance damage due to excess current.
Right. Define solenoid.
A cylindrical coil of wire which shows a magnetic properties when electric current passes through it.
Define indicators.
An indicator is substance that help us to identify whether the given solution is acidic, base or neutral with the help in the change in its color.
What is the SI unit of speed?
Meter per second.
Formula of speed.
Distance upon the time.
What is speed?
The distance covered by a moving object in a unit interval of a time is called speed.
Define dispersion of light.
The splitting of white light from the sun through breeze into a 7 colors is called dispersion of light.
Right. What is the source of oxalic acid?
Tomato.
What is the source of ascorbic acid?
Ascorbic. Amla. Guava.
Right. What is the source of formic acid?
Formic and sting. Metal sting.
Source of lactic acid.
Milk and curd.
Source of organic acid.
Tomato.
Which of these are renewable source of energy? Coal, petrol, biomass and natural gas.
Natural gas.
Ozone depletion leads to
Skin cancer.
a defect in which a person cannot see nearby clearly but can see far away objects.
Hypermetropia.
Right. A scale to express the magnitude of earthquakes.
Richter scale.
A substance that conducts electric current in its solution.
Electrolyte.
A spelling of electrolyte.
Electrolyte.
Right. The number of oscillations made by a vibrating body in 1 second.
Frequency.
A device used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
A sexual reproduction is not seen in.
Yes.
Which of the following can be drawn into wires? Sodium, potassium, copper and mercury.
Copper.
Which of the following organisms help in keeping the forest clean? Herbivorous, carnivorous, decomposers and none of these.
Decomposer.
A spelling of decomposers.
DECOMPOSER.
Rainwater seeps through the soil by the process of.
Dripping.
The spectrum of light has.
7 colors.
The tornado appears as a funnel with the speed of wind that can extend up to.
300 km per hour.
In which of the following is a wire with a low melting point is used?
Electric fuse.
Right. Which of these is an inorganic acid? Formic acid, malic acid, sulfuric acid and acetic acid.
Sulfuric acid.
The chemical formula for potassium carbonate is.
K2CO3.
Objects do not give out lights are called.
Non-luminous object.
Which is known as the evening star?
Venus.
Which is a simple machine used to draw water from a well?
Pulley.
Marble is an example of which type of rock?
Metamorphic rock.
The reflex action in our body are controlled by.
Spinal cord.
The process by which complex food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules is called.
Digestion.
pH scale help us to recognize which type of
pH scale.
Define electric current.
The flow of charge through a wire is called electric current.
Define transparent object.
The material that allow light to pass through them completely.
Define opaque.
The object do not allow light to pass through them.
Define translucent.
The object that allow to pass light from them partially.
Right. And that's all. You go.